was laughing out loud. Yeah.
Is this your own little fortress?
Yeah.
Did Grammy make you a fortress, Gabby, so you can watch cartoons with your toys?
So that Gabby gets nice and strong. Gets her back nice and strong. Yeah. And she kept her socks on. Got her baby doll. Hey, is knocking more important than that baby? Hmm? You're supposed to play with the baby. Yeah. Can you smile at Mama?
Oh, did Rabby just squeak?
Did Rabby squeak? Let's see Rabby. Where's Rabby?
There's Rabby.
You got his mouth right there.
You're eating Rabby. You're eating Rabby.
What about that sweet little baby down there? What about that sweet baby? What about sweet baby?
Do you know who gave you Rabby? Rab. Steve and Sally gave you Rabby. Yeah.
You love Rab.
Rabby from the Rabbicoffs. Yeah.
You love Rabby, don't you?
Rabby's your favorite. Yep, that's Rabby.
Yeah.
Rabby's your favorite. Yeah.
Gabby's in a fork.
Uh-huh.
Nice,
Her
isn't
and
it?
Rabby are defending against the Indians.
Are you a cowgirl? Yesterday you were a hula girl, today you're a cowgirl. Got that Nebraskan in you, huh?
Go like this. Show Mama how you can go. Can you do that? Go. Oh, kiss a Rabby. Kiss Rabby. Oh, come on, give Rabby a kiss. Give Rabby a kiss. You got Rabby upside down. Poor Rabby. Oh. And what about Baby? What about Baby? Does Baby get kisses? Does Baby get kisses?
Are you watching Yo Gabba Gabba? Gabby's watching Yo Gabba Gabba.
Nice.
Nice, baby.
Nice, baby.
Yeah.
Where's the baby's hat? Where's the baby's hat?
Now, what if Mommy stands in front of the TV? What happens if Mommy blocks the TV? You're doing pretty good about that. You're not too upset, are ya? That's good. Okay, say bye-bye, everybody. Mommy's gonna let you play with Grammy. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Do kisses.
Kisses.
Mwah. Kisses. Mwah. Kisses. Mwah. Kisses. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Mommy. Bye-bye.